Hey guys, so you know how I was saying in the last video how I was gonna get my girlfriend. Y'all see it, right? Y'all can see it. I was gonna get my girlfriend her hoverboard. Well, oh snap! Well, I just got it, so that's gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna head over to her right now. She doesn't know that I have it because I told her that I was doing the clothes, which I did, but it's gonna be crazy. So let's see. Let's go to her. Woo! Come here. Woo! Come here. Come here. Let me show you what I got you. Just come on. See her react. Let's see her reaction.
What? Where'd you go?
This is yours.
What? You freaking liar!
I did.
Whose is that?
Yours.
Oh my god.
I got you.
I don't believe it.
It's yours. Look, you want to try it? Wanna let me hold my son?
Yes.
Okay.
You got me a hoverboard for real?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, but go with daddy real quick. He's got it here on his hand. How do you get on it?
Hold it like this, guys. I don't know. It's okay. Put one foot up on, and then the other foot. Don't fall. Hold on to both sides.
Oh. Okay. Whoa. Now what?
Now lean forward and.
Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I going? Okay. Okay, so that way's to turn that way. How do you turn the other way? How do you turn the other way? Oh my god. How do you turn the other way? Oh, I'm turning. I'm turning. Okay. Oh my god. Okay.
Well, while she has fun, this is Yuda Bakiro.
Woo!
I got
Thank you, baby.
I love you. I got her what she wanted. She got me what I wanted. So this is Yuda Bakiro out. Peace.